Hi friends, Simon here from informedtrades.com. In this video, I want to take a quick look at the 5-bar reversal setup, a technical pattern, and how we can trade that. The key points behind the setup: you want to look for five or more bars in the same direction. 5 or more consecutive bars going in the same direction. That's your cue. The market is getting overheated, and it may be time to look for a reversal. You enter this setup when a bar in the opposite direction of the 5 bars clears the last bar of the 5 bars. So let's assume 5 or more bars. So if there's 5 up bars in a row, you want to wait for the reversal, and when it clears below the last bar, that's when to enter. We'll have some charts that illustrate this more clearly. You want to put your stop somewhere beyond the reversal point, where the 5 bars start to reverse. And of course, as always, look for confluence in your trades. This is a 100% guaranteed setup. The more confluence you have, the higher the probability the trade's going to work. Examples. Okay. So here on the left side, we see 5 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's our cue to start looking for a reversal. Okay. Now we start getting some signs of reversal. We have this inside bar here. We have a blue candle or a bullish candle here with a long wick. Now this orange line is the high of the 5th candle. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, once we clear the high of this last down candle here, that's our cue to enter. So we don't enter here, we don't enter here. We clear this candle here, this right here. This candle closes above it, clears it. Then we can enter. In terms of exiting, this might be a good point, this resistance level here. Lots of ways to map out where to exit. Where to put the stop is going to be somewhere below here. Again, this is also where it helps a lot to look for confluence. If you can map out support and resistance levels, you get a clearer idea of where you can put your stop loss. But the general idea is you want to put your stop somewhere beyond the reversal point. If you entered here somewhere, maybe down here, and exit at a resistance point. Identifying what would be a good risk-reward setup. Here, this particular chart, which is a dollar Canada 4-hour chart, there's a bunch of these 5-bar reversal setups. Here's another one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we get our reversal candle here, the first one. Now we can look to enter here at this orange line. The orange lines on this chart are where our entry points. We enter here because the last candle is this one here, this blue candle right here. Once we go below that, that's our entry cue. And then, we could come down to support here. Interestingly enough, this was, 5 bars up and then 5 bars down. So once we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, same idea. We can enter once this bar here is cleared, and run it out, maybe the resistance here, putting your stop loss here. Another situation, 5 bars, we start to see reversal. We don't clear this last high here until we get beyond this level, this second red candle here. Then we can short it. And another example here. So this pattern shows up, good a bit. Of course, like I mentioned, you always want to look for confluence, identify your support and resistance, plot other technical indicators that you may favor, and incorporate that into your trading. Just to illustrate an invalid example, here's, again, we have more than 5 down bars here, and we get a up bar here. Now, remember, we don't want to go long until the last candle in that downtrend is cleared. So we have 6 down candles here. But we never actually clear this last candle. We do get an up bar here, but we don't clear this one. And because we don't clear it, we never get the entry opportunity. And as illustrated, it's a good thing we didn't get the entry signal because price continued declining. So it's important to wait until you get that confirmation. And of course, even if we did get the confirmation, it's just not always going to work. That's why you put the stop in. There's no guarantee. We're just looking for high probability setups here. That's about it. If you have any questions, anything you want to add, join us over at informedtrades.com. Thanks and best of luck in your trading.